Hi, Jake. It's great to see you. I've been trying to get healthier, so I started going to the gym. How often do you work out these days?
Hey, Tom. That's awesome. I actually go to the gym every morning before work. It helps me feel awake and ready for the day. Have you set any fitness goals for yourself?
Right now, my main goal is just to build a regular routine. I want to feel stronger and have more energy. How did you get started with your own routine?
When I began, I started small, just twice a week. Over time, I added more days as I got used to it. It's like building a habit, just like brushing your teeth.
Let's talk about gym words. For example, I hear people say workout, cardio, and lift weights. Can you explain what those mean?
Sure, workout is any exercise session. Cardio means activities that make your heart beat faster, like running or cycling. Lift weights is when you use dumbbells or machines to get stronger.
That makes sense. I also see people stretching before they exercise. Why is that important?
Stretching helps warm up your muscles and can prevent injuries. Imagine your muscles are like rubber bands, they work better when they're not cold and stiff.
So let's practice some simple sentences. I usually say I go to the gym 3 times a week. What about you, Jake?
I say, I go to the gym every morning. Or, I do cardio on Mondays and lift weights on Wednesdays. Using present simple tense helps share your routine clearly.
I like that. I can also say, I stretch before I run. It's easy to talk about my habits this way.
Exactly. Present simple is perfect for talking about things you do regularly, like, I swim on weekends, or I do yoga every Friday.
Jake, I always hear people talk about cardio and strength training. What's the difference?
Great question. Cardio is about making your heart and lungs stronger with activities like running, swimming, or cycling. Strength training, like lifting weights, builds your muscles.
I usually run on the treadmill, but lifting weights seems harder. Is it okay to do both?
Absolutely. Combining both gives you a balanced workout. Cardio burns calories and improves endurance, while strength training helps build muscle and bone strength.
Everyone has favorite exercises. For me, I don't like running, but I enjoy doing yoga. What exercises do you like best, Jake?
I love swimming because it's easy on my joints and works my whole body. But I also like lifting weights, it makes me feel strong. Why do you prefer yoga?
Yoga helps me relax and stretch my muscles. Plus, I feel less stressed after a class. Do you ever take group classes at the gym?
Yes. I sometimes join cycling or HIIT classes. It's fun to exercise with others, and the instructor keeps me motivated.
Let's talk about how often we go to the gym. I usually say I go every weekend. What other time expressions can we use?
You can say twice a week, 3 times a week, or every day. For example, I lift weights twice a week, or I swim on Sundays. These phrases help describe your schedule.
That's helpful. I'm going to try I do yoga every Friday. It's a simple way to share my routine.
Exactly. Using these phrases makes it easy for others to understand when you exercise.
Sometimes I feel lazy and want to skip the gym. How do you stay motivated, Jake?
I set small goals, like exercising for 20 minutes each time. I also reward myself, maybe a smoothie after a workout. Studies show habits form after about 21 days, so staying consistent helps.
That's encouraging. Maybe I'll try tracking my progress on a calendar. Do you have any other tips?
Finding a workout buddy can help a lot. When you exercise with a friend, you're more likely to show up and have fun.
When I first went to the gym, I felt nervous. There were so many machines and people. Did you feel that way too?
Definitely. Many beginners feel anxious. A good tip is to start with simple equipment, like the treadmill or stationary bike. Over time, you get used to the environment.
I also watch online videos to learn how to use machines safely. Are there beginner-friendly exercises you recommend?
Yes, bodyweight exercises like squats or push-ups are great for beginners. They help build confidence before trying more advanced equipment.
Besides exercise, what other habits help you stay healthy? I'm trying to eat better too.
Eating balanced meals, drinking water, and getting enough sleep are just as important as working out. According to the CDC, adults need at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week for good health.
That's good to know. I'll try to make small changes, like walking more and drinking less soda. Do you think fitness changes your mood too?
Absolutely. Studies show exercise releases endorphins, which make you feel happier and less stressed. It's a great way to boost your mood and energy.
Now it's time for our mini roleplay challenge. Listeners, try answering. How often do you go to the gym? Jake, can you give an example answer?
Sure. I go to the gym every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I do cardio on Mondays and lift weights on Fridays. Listeners, try making your own sentences using present simple tense.
That's a great example. Remember, you can also say, I do yoga twice a week, or I swim on weekends. Practicing these sentences helps build your speaking confidence.
Keep practicing, and soon talking about your fitness habits in English will feel natural. Don't forget to review new vocabulary words from today's episode.